Why do 75% of logistics managers trust Dhundhoo's fleet management for their cold chain logistics? Let's dive in. Dhundhoo's fleet management system is revolutionizing cold chain logistics. With real-time cargo temperature monitoring, it ensures your goods stay fresh and safe. Any deviation? Instant alerts to the rescue, but that's not all. Dhundhoo uses live traffic data to optimize delivery routes, slashing delays and spoilage. Predictive analytics forecast potential disruptions, keeping your operations smooth and efficient. Worried about vehicle breakdowns? Dhundhoo's preventive maintenance keeps your fleet in top shape, extending vehicle lifespan and reducing unforeseen hiccups. Plus, with seamless communication between fleet managers and drivers, everyone stays in the loop. And compliance? Dhundhoo simplifies regulatory reporting, making audits a breeze. So, your cold chain logistics run flawlessly, delivering products on time every time. Unlock the full potential of your fleet with Dhundhoo, because keeping things cool is what we do best.